As we feel as this is the main feature of the house itself, we wanted to go for something that's refreshing and bold, since the primary colour of the house we chose was white, wood and grey colour. So an added touch to this feature wall was actually to match the chevrons pattern that we have on this console itself, on the feature wall itself. So one additional feature that we did was to actually have the patterns to run in an irregular pattern compared to the one that we see down here. First off, you need to know where you guys want to place your fridge, your microwave, oven, hood, hob and even your kitchen sink, because this affects the space in between that you guys have. Most importantly, that you want to make sure that your kitchen cabinet doors can actually be open, even like your fridge door, to be able to swing open fully so that you can actually pull out the basket at the bottom. One of the requirements that we have actually was to have the sink on the opposite side. So the default sink point and the drainage, water pipe and stuff that you guys see is actually on this portion. So we actually had to find a way to actually extend out the water point, the drainage point and conceal out this way, in this method. One of the requirements that we actually have for this portion is because when you have your sink portion on this side, we actually didn't want to have our dish rack to be mounted on the top so that you actually don't block the view that you have for the open concept kitchen. So we actually come up with this concept whereby our dish rack is at the bottom, this way. And it's a fully functional one where you can pull out the bottom tray as well. One of the requirements we have was actually to have more wardrobe space. With this idea itself this way, you can actually portion up your wardrobe to be like that, say for example his side and her side. The next feature that we have was actually this open area. If let's say visualize your work bag, your work attire and your pajamas, your day-to-day most important items that you want always to take this way. Another feature that we have for this wardrobe itself is that you can actually have your own cozy area on this side, your wardrobe area, your walk-in wardrobe area down here, and your area to the toilet area. Visualize, let's say you wake up for work and you don't want to disturb your partner, you can actually head over here, switch on the lights this way and head to the toilet.
Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the entire design. It's pretty close to what we initially wanted. As I've always said, I wanted something that is simple but yet elegant, and I think Fifth Avenue and Andre managed to capture the theme that we had in mind. So as you can see, I think they've done a pretty good job. In terms of the color scheme, in terms of the design, I think it pretty much matched up to what we expected, and the end result, I think, is very satisfactory.